Garden Ninja Lee Burkill is a multi-award-winning garden designer, blogger and vlogger. He hopes to represent a new generation of gardeners as he appears on the BBC One's hit show Garden Rescue. 2. Meet gardener Lee Burkill, who is appearing on Garden Rescue alongside Charlie Dimmock. Who is Lee Burkill? Lee Burkill is a 38-year-old garden designer and horticulture expert from Lancashire. He started his career working in IT for over 10 years. He then discovered that working outdoors was his calling and quit his full-time job to concentrate on a career of gardening. Lee is openly gay, and in November 2019, he tweeted that he was bullied for being gay during his teen. The tweet reads, "Starting to appreciate a microdose of what trans people must endure from some erroneous yet vicious online #trolls. Reminds me of being bullied as a teen for being gay. So today I want to raise a golden trowel to all #GBTCOF Twitter to all stand strong. #trans is beautiful." According to CelebPie, Lee is married but prefers to keep his private life out of the spotlight. You can find Lee on Instagram to see his garden creations here at garden_ninja_Lee. The gardener has thriving with a net worth of £556,000. 2. Lee Burkill likes to keep his private life out of the spotlight. Credit, Instagram. What is Lee Burkill famous for? Lee works as a YouTuber, presenter and blogger, and has since earned himself the moniker Garden Ninja. He has been the recipient of many awards in recent years, such as, in 2016, his gardening blog won him an award at the RHS and BBC Feel Good Gardens. 2 years later, he was also awarded the Chelsea Flower Show Director General's Trade Standard Award. When is Garden Rescue on BBC? Garden Rescue is back on our screens tonight, February 1, 2022. The show will air on BBC One at 8:30 p.m. The shortened version will see Charlie Dimmock and Lee go head-to-head to create a Cornish coastal heaven. All previous episodes will be available to watch on BBC iPlayer.